Hello there, this is an unboxing video of my new wake up light device. 3 reasons to have an alarm clock over the smartphone clock app. 1. It is a simple tool with a simple purpose, an alarm for waking and a clock for the time. 2. No online distractions with notifications and doom scrolling. And 3. No blue light emitted as there is no screen which harms the eyesight. First, let's show the box and get on with the unboxing. This is the front of the box, the side with the product description, its 5 features, and again its 5 set of features. At the back, product information. It is made in China. Now let's get on with the unboxing. Now for the unboxing, simply undo the tape here on both sides. Get these 2 out the way. Turn over the box. Lift it up. Inside the box, there's the user manual, customer service. In this plastic, there's the device, the alarm clock, the USB cable used to charge the device, and the plug, the 3-pin plug in the plastic. Here is the look of the alarm clock out of the plastic. The front of the device, the side with the buttons and the controls, and the back with the 2 speakers and the USB inputs. This one is for charging. It is made in China. I need to charge this device and also read the user manual before I use this device. Let's show the alarm clock and its features. These 2 is to set the alarm 1 and 2. This is just the brightness of the lighting. These 2 is the cycle for the lighting colors. This is for the solid colors. This is for the gradient colors. This is to activate the snooze mode. It's also just the time and also cycles through the music tracks when in the Bluetooth music. This dims the clock display. This also activates the Bluetooth. This activates the sleep timer and also allows to adjust the time. This is for the volume, adjust the volume. These 2 go through the audio tracks. I think this is the end of the unboxing video. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be alerted for future videos.